Hi everyone, I'm Matt and I'm here today to talk about Dr. Mark from the T Clinic. This is why I sought out for help from an individual such as Mark himself, and these are the reasons as to why. I'm a long-term sufferer of PTSD, anxiety and trauma-based instances. I lost all the serotonin and dopamine in my brain 3 years ago and was basically a paralytic in its own right. Unable to think, unable to walk or do any physical exercise. I was completely and utterly burnt out. In my desperation, I started going and seeing doctor after doctor after doctor, and no solution was available. Eventually, on an ongoing search, I found Dr. Mark, and to my surprise, he was able to actually physically design a program going through my blood works and getting very specific with the exact bespoke prescription for the individual, for myself. So when it comes to seeing Dr. Mark, he doesn't just look at you and go, okay, take this, it's going to help you, which is pretty much what I went through at St. Joseph's in the wards. They just give you all this different type of medication, take it and see how you feel, and hopefully you get better. Mark is a very precise individual who will actually look into your bloods and actually look at how you're performing over a period of time. So it's not something that's just going to work instantaneously. It is a matter of 3 to 6 months before you actually start seeing results. And from someone like myself who is extremely athletic, from my riding, my climbing, my motocross and my surfing and all the other sports in between that, plus all my businesses that I run, if it wasn't for Dr. Mark, I can guarantee you I would still be in the same position I was 3 years ago. So to be honest, I would definitely recommend Dr. Mark. I would not go hunting around looking through all the different self-help medications that a lot of people do, and a lot of these random doctors who proclaim that they know what they're doing. Rather, just take the advice of someone like myself. I'm only 34 right now. And a lot of guys my age I know who are going through burnout, and there's a lot of stress and anxiety that's going on in the world. Just go to Dr. Mark and get the right prescription for you. It is designed for you for a specific purpose. So during the course of my treatment, month 1 was an increase of libido. First of all, obviously coming out of St. Joseph's and going through that, my sex drive had dropped to next to nothing. You know, being in a relationship, being married and all that, it puts a lot of pressure and strain on it. So within the first 2-3 weeks, libido instantly goes up. Your increase in stamina, your strength, your endurance goes up. That's just month 1. Month 2, you know, things get even better. Now you start exercising, slow exercise, you start actually getting somewhere. Month 3 gets even better. I am now on roughly month 7, and I am pushing my limits again, back on my bike, back on the board, and I'm actually back on pushing my body to its utter limits, which is really incredible. And I honestly, from the position I was, I didn't think I'd be here getting my life back again.